Hey squad, we are back in the Movement by MK studio and I'm so excited to be here with you today for day 25 full body sweat sesh of your beginner bake challenge. So today we are going to work every muscle that you can think of in a short amount of time with absolutely no equipment. You can pick up this workout, do it anywhere, anytime, and of course if you're doing the challenge, send me that sweaty selfie after. Let me know you did this, and if you're not doing the challenge, be sure to subscribe. I'll send you the workout directly to your inbox. So all you need today is a little bit of water, a little bit of time, and that is it. Are you ready to crush? Let's go, day 25, we are on. We're gonna start here in the middle of your mat. You're gonna drop down to an air squat, drive your knee on up, drop down to an air squat, drive your knee on up. Let's go, we are on. Taking this move as fast or as slow as you need. You drop down, feet are shoulder width apart, driving your knee on up. Still loosening everything up before we get that heart rate up. We are really just jumping right in today, but we got a short amount of time together. Trust me, you'll be obsessed with them. This one you can come back and do it again. Drive that knee up. Good. We're gonna come into an inchworm and we're gonna add on a jump squat just to get in a little bit of cardio. You'll meet me at the back of your mat. Are you ready? Come on, we got it here. It's 5 for 4, back of the mat, in 3, in 2, and 1. We meet here. Feet are shoulder width apart. Walk your way on out. Bring yourself back up. This time, jump squat for 1 and 2. Walk it back out if that's too much. You just hit a regular air squat. 2 air squats at the top. Either one works. Regardless of where you're at in your fitness journey, you know there's something for you here today. We're in it together. Good, crawl your way on down. Bring your way back up. 15 seconds. We get a little bit of breather with some tabletop core. You know you saw those the other day. You meet me in tabletop. In 3, in 2, and 1. Let's go. Right leg lifts high. Left arm extends. Drive it in. So I talk a lot in my classes about the power of repetition. Hence why you'll see certain things over and over in my classes. Think about anything you've gotten good at in this life. You didn't show up one time, right? You became an expert at it. It took practice, commitment, dedication. That's the same thing when it comes to your mental and physical health. We got it in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left leg lifts. Plant those hands into the mat. Left leg is high. Right arm extends. Drive it in. A lot of times we think it's a one and done type of thing, but really the most successful are the ones that stick it out, that stay consistent and dedicated, regardless of what excuses come in your way. Think about, am I making excuses? Or is it a reason I really can't go and show up for myself? That's what you got to decipher. But when you do show up, think about how you're rewarded in the way you feel. We got it. It's 4 for 3, 2, and 1. Staying in this nice tabletop. Hands directly underneath your shoulders. Gaze is down. We start to work that booty. Yep, out in a right fire hydrant. Keeping that knee up to the ceiling or sky, driving it back in the center. Little lift. Good. Continue to think about how if you show up for yourself 10 minutes each day, what a difference that can make in your lifestyle. And again, what a difference that can make in that relationship with yourself, which is the most important of them all. Let's go. We lift to the side. You got it. It's 8 for 7 for 6 for 5. On that other side, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Excellent. Over to the left. Woo! Okay, booty is on fire. I know you're feeling this one. Good. So we mix today's workout with some slow movements and then with some faster ones. This is your slow movement until we go all out commandos. I'll give you a modification if you need it. Lift and lower here. Core is engaged. We come into a pretty plank on your forearms. 7 seconds. Feeling this on that right booty cheek. Inner thigh for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Come and meet me in this pretty plank. Dropping down to your forearms, shifting those toes back, coming here and holding for a second before you pick yourself up. Drop it back down. If you need to modify, you're right here, pick yourself up, drop it down. We're on in 3, 2, and 1. Nice strong core. Dropping it down and bringing it up. It's a quick 25 seconds before we come back to your squat knee to elbow. The second time through is always gonna feel better than the first. Maybe you were dragging today and you're like, MK, I don't know if I can get here. But look, you made it here. We got it for 4, for 3, 2, and 1. We're back on our feet. Come on up. Let's go. We shake it out. Shake it out. All right, are you ready? Second round. Here we go. Booties are gonna drop down. We bring it in 3, in 2, and 1. Drop down. Drive that knee up. Drop it down. Drive it up. Come on. Bring it across. Work that core. Work that mind. Work that body. You got it, babe. Yep. 30-second blast. Then we go in your inchworms. Double jump squat. You have mastered the inchworms by now. You know what's up. Come on. A little bit out of breath. A little sweaty. That's right. It's 8 seconds. We're at the back of the mat. In 6, in 5, in 4. Stay with it for 3, for 2, and 1. Back to your mat. Shake it out if you need it. Walk it on out here. Bringing it back up. Double jump squat at the top. If you need that modification, go ahead and take it. If you're going a little bit slower or faster than me, that's okay too. You're working for that tabletop core. Work for that time where you get that active rest. Let's go, day 25. You are in the final week of this challenge. Can you believe that? So close to the end. Think about how you felt on day 1. Maybe a little intimidated, maybe a little nervous. Maybe you felt like you were a little out of shape. Think about where you are now. We got it in 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're in our tabletop. Left leg is high. Right arm's gonna follow. Extend, drive it in. Second time doing this. That's how you're gonna get better, is you repeat. Allow yourself to practice. Allow yourself to give yourself grace, to give yourself time to become better. So often in our lives, we want immediate gratification. We want things quickly. But what happens when you slow down? When you embrace the change, you become the change. Let's go. We got it. It's 5, for 4. On that other side, in 3, in 2, and 1. Right leg lifts. Come on, are you gonna bring it? Left arm extends. Drive it in. Kick it back. All right, I know you're ready for some booty work. We got those fire hydrants coming up. We go on the right side. Come on, it's 8 seconds. For 7, for 6, we're being tested with this balance. In 3, 2, and 1. Right leg lifts. Nothing to rush through. It's all good. Take your time. You got about 2.5 minutes of work left. That is it. I know, these 10-minute ones, they're quick, but they feel so good. Little lift, resetting in the center, out to the side, resetting in the center, getting ready to switch sides. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Left leg lifts. Good, keeping that balance. Yep. All right, we're gearing up for our final minute of work. We have those commandos in front of us. I will be honest with you, probably one of the hardest moves of them all, besides a push-up. Push-ups kill me. Or a 1-minute plank. So I want to hear it from you. I am ready to crush these commandos. I will finish this workout. I am good enough. I can do hard things. All right, we drop down in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. You drop those hips back. Shift them back. You hold it here. We get ready. Your all-out commandos are going out. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go, babe. You lift. Drop down. Keep it nice and controlled. Again, challenging yourself in different ways here today, mentally and physically. We got it. Woo! Come on. 30 seconds. I know you might want to drop. I know it's hard, but trust me, trust the process. Can you stay a little bit longer? Can you push yourself up when you get down? Yes, you can. Come on. We got it. We climb together. 10 seconds. Woo! We got it. 8, 7, 6, for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow. I am sweaty. That was a doozy. We need MBM sweat towels. I want to know that you're this sweaty. So send me that sweaty selfie. Tag me over on Instagram. Let me know you did this workout. Check off that calendar, and I will see you for day 26. Keep it up.